Hey guys, Michael here. It is the start of the baseball season, and you know what that means? MLB TV blackouts. Yes, I'm going to show you how to get around those today. Let's get started. So what I have here is the MLB TV main screen. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to go to Root Sports Northwest for the Mariner games, which I am blacked out of. And as you can see, the screen shows I am blacked out. I cannot watch this game. So I have a service that I've been using for years, and I absolutely love it. There's some free things out there, but they're not very trustworthy. There's Unlocator and Hula, and I just wouldn't trust those. So I actually do pay for this service. It's not very expensive. Actually, I'll look at the pricing right now. It is $269 a month if you buy 2 years. So that's $70 for a 2-year plan. $10 a month or $40 a year. So that's not too bad. $40 a year. If you already have MLB TV, then this will let you actually watch the games that you wanted to watch in the first place. Okay, so I am on a plan. I have my account. So I have this private internet access and I have this app. So this app you download and install. Okay, they have a quick tour. I'm going to log in. So use my login info. Bam. I'm going to go to Vancouver. That should work for watching the Mariners games because Canada is not blocked out from watching the Mariner games. So now if I go here and I refresh, I should be able to go to this game.
Solutions Company, Waste Management serves more than 21 million customers and employs more than 4.
So I will need to refresh the browser so that I can get to the game I actually want to watch. So if I log back in, go back to the game I want, and bam, no more blackout. So I am in the game. It's using the VPN to get past the IP address blocking that it's doing. It's the MLB TV service is trying to figure out where you are based on your IP address, and so that will block you if your IP address falls into the geographic region that it is trying to block out. So this will work on a desktop computer. It will not work on mobile. It will not work on your iPhone or your Android or your Roku TV. It will work on Chromecast as long as you're casting just the tab and not the actual service. And the reason it won't work on mobile and all of those things is because they have a lot more ways to determine where you are. There's GPS, there's just so many ways for them to know where you are, and even trying to route your phone, they will just disable the service. You won't be able to access MLB TV. So if you want to watch on the browser, there's a great way, super simple. You just download the VPN's client, turn it on to some location that won't be blocked off, and you will be able to watch the game you want to watch. And make sure when you do log in, you close the tab for the MLB TV and reopen it, because it will try and cache and remember that, oh, this person was blocked out. Whereas right now, since I refreshed the tab, they had to start anew, see my IP address, see that it's in Vancouver, and they're not going to block it in Vancouver, so now I can watch my game. Guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.